Today we are going to make these cute looking flowers. So this can also be used as court flowers for weddings for your guest. Let me show you how it is done. So I have kept one example there. Now I'm going to make a pink one. The ends you have to cut it with a wavy texture like this so that the curly part looks wavy, and since it's a ribbon and the string should not shred, we have to just give it a slight burn. Fold the clean parts, the lined parts together, and the curly parts you're going to fold over the wire like this. Ensure that it's equal when you fold them. And all you have to do after that is you have to scrunch it together like this, and holding them together, you will start turning the wire to tighten it up. So that's it. Wind the wire in this way so that you tighten up that scrunched portion. Do not pull off the flower too much because the threads will start coming out of the ribbon. And that's it, our flower is ready. So I will show you how to attach these two together. Basically we will just align them in the position that we want them to be, and once they are confirmed to be in this position, you will just wind both the wires together in this way. Extra wires you can just cut with the wire cutter. The wire used here is basically a copper wire, so it will not really be difficult to cut it. You can use scissors. Now I'm going to make the leaf. Initially the first one I had made the leaf small. Now for this one you have to fold the green ribbon in this way that you see, and once you have the long fold like this, holding it together, you will cut it in the shape of a leaf, starting from the end of the corner like this. And there our cutouts are ready, and just give them a slight heat at the corners so that the threads don't come out. Hold it all together, and with that wrapping thing that you usually use for covering the wires, just wrap it together. In case if you do not have that, you can even use crepe paper, green color crepe paper, to cover the wire. So here, as you can see, I have used green color paper to cover the wire, but this one looks more neater comparatively. So friends, if you all found this interesting, do let me know in the comments, and for more videos do not forget to subscribe. Bye.